Hello YouTube, this is PapaStone&Co. I got a dryer here that's making kind of a funny noise. I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on. I'm going to let you see what it sounds like. I'm going to try to fix it. I don't know how it's going to go. We'll see how it goes. Alright, here's my dryer. It's a roper dryer made by Whirlpool. It's been used a pretty good bit. Been repaired a couple of times. We'll try one more time. Let's hear what the noise sounds like. Try to take it apart and see what's going on. I'm going to turn out the breaker that goes to the dryer and be on the safe side. Let's see, I'm going to unplug the dryer. And pull it out from the wall and start taking it apart. Change found in the bottom of the dryer. $8.62. The dryer is pretty dirty. Clean it out with a shop vac. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Put a cup under there to hold the drum up. Now, put it back together. Gonna see how that goes. Wish me luck. We'll try it out, see how it works. Seems to work fine. It's PapaStone&Co. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you like it. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.